In this module, we will look at logical operators in Java. The objective is to learn what logical operators are and when are they used. Logical Boolean operators work only on Boolean operands. The table on the right provides a list of all the logical Boolean operators we have in Java. Like the logical AND is denoted by ampersand, logical OR by a pipe, logical XOR by a caret, short circuit OR by two pipes, short circuit AND by two ampersands, logical NOT by an exclamation, AND assignment, ampersand followed by an equal sign, OR assignment, pipe followed by an equal sign, XOR assignment, caret followed by equal sign. So here we have two Boolean operands A and B, which have four possible outcomes: false, false, true, false, false, true, true, true. A logical OR in this case will result in a true when either or both of the operands are true. In all other cases, it will result in a false. A logical AND will result in true when both operands are true. In all other cases, it will result in a false. A logical XOR will result in true when either operand is true. In all other cases, it will result in a false. A logical NOT inverts the Boolean state from true to false and vice versa. Here's a program to illustrate the use of logical Boolean operators. We have two variables A and B of type Boolean, which have been assigned values true and false respectively. So when we perform A or B, which is true or false, we get true. When we perform A and B, which is true and false, it will result in a false. A XOR B, which is true XOR false, will result in a true. Next, we have an expression in which the first sub-expression is not of A and B. So not of A is not of true, which is false, and B, which is false. So false and false will be false. And the other sub-expression, we have A and not of B, which is true and not of false, which is true. So true and true is true. Next, we have false or true, which will result in a true. And next, it's simple. It's a not of A, so it will just simply inverse the state from true to false. Now, what are short circuit logical operators that we had seen? So these logical operators are secondary versions of the Boolean AND and OR operators. As we have already seen, a logical OR will result in true if the first operand is true. And logical AND will result in false if the first operand is false. The second operand has no say in this scenario, and despite which it is checked. A short circuit logical operator AND and OR help in producing a result from the first operand where the result of the expression is obvious and the second operand's expression is not evaluated at all. So this is very useful when the right hand operand is dependent on the value of the left one in order to function properly. Here's an illustration of the short circuit logical operator. So we have a variable denorm of type int, which has been assigned a value of 10. We have num of type int, which has been assigned a value of 1000. So in the if condition, we have denorm not equal to 0, short circuit and num divided by denorm is greater than 10. So in this case, if denorm is 0 and we do not have the first check for denorm not equal to 0, this will result in an arithmetic exception because number divided by 0 is infinite, which is not correctly interpreted in a Java program. So this will result in an arithmetic exception. Hence, only if the first condition is true, then the next condition is checked. That means if denorm is not equal to 0, only in that case num is divided by denorm. To summarize, we have learned that logical checks can be performed with Boolean types only. Outcome of the logical operations are similar to the bitwise operators. Logical NOT simply inverses the value. Logical AND produces a true when both operands are true. Logical OR produces a true when one or both operands are true, and logical XOR produces a true when one of the operand is true. In a logical check, the first operand's value determines the result despite which the second operand is checked. So in normal case, both the operands are checked, but the result is determined by the first operand itself. But in a short circuit logical operation, the second operand is not checked if the first operand satisfies the check. In case of AND, second operand is checked only if the first operand evaluates to true. In case of OR, second operand is not checked if the first operand evaluates to true.